Welcome back. Let's do question 151. The matric class of a certain high school had to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established, and a popularity score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity scores and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. Question 151. Using the scatter plot and the table above, provide a reason why the IQ is not a good indicator of the number of votes that a learner could receive. Right, I was trying to say here, is there any correlation between the IQ and the number of votes according to the scatter plot? So this scatter plot is showing us the relationship between the number of votes and the IQ. If you look at the scatter plot, these points are all scattered. They are all scattered. They are not showing us any relationship between the number of votes and the IQ. So according to the scatter plot here, there is no correlation. The IQ is not a good indicator of the number of votes. If the points are like this, let me just show you. If the points, let's say, were like this, almost forming a straight line or clustered around a straight line, this shows a strong positive correlation, right? And then if the points are like this, let me just use this space, maybe going down like this, almost clustered around a straight line, then this shows a strong negative correlation. But if you look at these points that we have here, they are all scattered, meaning that the IQ is not a good indicator of the number of votes.